how to fix watch history option not showing on Instagram. So if you want to fix your watch history option not showing on your Instagram, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your Instagram application. Now after opening your Instagram, you need to go with your profile, which will be on the bottom, and from there you need to go with the 3 horizontal lines, which will be in the top right. Once you're here, you need to scroll down and then you will find an option of your activity. Tap on your activity and then you will have your watch history, which will be on how you use your Instagram. If you tap on it, you will find all of your watch history right here. But if you don't find your watch history on your Instagram, then you need to open up your Play Store at first. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Go with your search and search for Instagram. After searching, if you have any updates on your Instagram, just simply go and update it. After updating, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply go back and then find Instagram, tap and hold on to your Instagram, go with the app info. Once you're in your app info, you need to go with storage and cache and then go with clear cache, which will be on the right side. After clearing your cache, your problem might be fixed. So that's it. That's how you can fix your watch history option not showing. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.